So this morning's job, tidy up the loom which seems to have slipped. That was all inside the headlamp shell of my BSA C15, and it may explain, look at that bare wire there, it may explain why my front indicators on both sides have stopped working, but let's take a closer look. Okay, you can see the H4 conversion there, not a typical conversion for a 1959 motorcycle. The ammeter and the wiring is there. It doesn't look quite as bad as I thought. The thinner wires are obviously the indicator wires. There's an earth wire off there, so let's take a closer look. So post-mortem of today's tidy up. I've tidied the loom into the headlamp shell, tie wrapped on the main cross beam, the loom that you can just see here, along with another. It's double wrapped in cloth, insulating tape with an insulating layer over it, so I'll just keep my eye on it. Left hand front indicator had ceased because of a bad earth within the headlamp shell. The right hand front indicator has ceased working because it's got a blown bulb, so I'll have a look at that and obviously order some bulbs up.